People have complained about the wait time that motorists are being forced to endure during road construction currently underway in Leesburg. The road work along Highway 68 and 411 has reportedly resulted in wait times that range from 4 to 5 minutes up to 45 minutes, according to some motorists. The road work is being performed by McCartney Construction out of Gadsden. All motorists planning on traveling through Leesburg along 68 or 411 should give themselves extra time to get to their destination.